Hello Techiastic people, in today's video we will unbox a budget oriented smartwatch that's Naughty Ofit, and we will give our first impression to this smartwatch. So keep watching. This is the Naughty Ofit smartwatch. It comes with a very Spartan packaging. There is nothing on the box, just Naughty logo and a Naughty branding. Even not the specification of the watch. We have the gold color variant, can also be called as rose gold. It comes into two variants, black and gold, but here we have the gold color. So let's just open this up. And guys, on Flipkart it's priced at around 2600 rupees or approximately $76. At first we get the smartwatch itself along with a sponge holder, and beneath this we get a clip-on charger. There is a packaging over here. I will just open it up. So it's a clip-on charger, and we also get a user manual and a standard screen protector. We will keep the box aside and let's concentrate to the smartwatch itself. So we have to remove the sticker first. It's written here we have to charge it before using it. So we will remove the sticker. We removed it, and we will also, so this is the watch itself, and here is a physical button over here and the stainless steel strap, and also no slip-on holder clip. As you can see, we have set the watch now. At the back there is a stainless steel material. This is the feature that we barely see in budget smartwatches. There is also an heart rate monitoring sensor over here and charging clips. Basically it's a touchscreen smartwatch. You can navigate it by either swiping from left or from right. There are various options in the watch, such as this sport mode and this sleep tracking mode, also measure HR mode, which heart rate mode, and this training mode, and this measure up mode, and this SpO2 mode, as well as the weather mode. You can also get a menu from here, and if you want to go back, just swipe from right. It's that simple. And messages and a remote shutter button and a music player and settings. The one thing that I have noticed is the touch response rate is excellent. There are a lot of minute animations that makes this watch a cool looking product. I also like the vibration motor. The vibration motor is very excellent. I would also compare it to some older generation Apple watches. This is not an OLED screen. This is an IPS backlight screen, but it's very good though. It is a 240 x 240 pixel density display. Watch face. This is the first watch face, and this is the second, and this is the third one. This is an editable smartwatch face. You can edit this in the app called Dafit. I will link that app in the description. There is also a stopwatch. It is a stopwatch and a mute button. Also a reset button here and a power off button. You can also change the brightness of the screen from swiping left. You can increase it, and from swiping right you can decrease it, but I will prefer this setting. So let's exit from it. And one thing you have to know is that this physical button also acts as a home button. When you press it, it will directly go back into the home screen of your smartwatch. It is very simple and very easy to use, and also convenient. These are our first impression regarding the Ofit smartwatch. Video, and if you then do consider subscribing our channel and hitting that bell icon for all our notifications, and wait for our complete review of this Ofit smartwatch. And till then, stay tuned with us.